Assalamu alaikum, and this is Muhammad Khuram Khan, and in today's lecture we are going to discuss the parallel lines theorem. Okay, first of all, if two lines, this is a given situation, this is a line L and this is a line M. Okay, and our statement of this theorem is if two lines are parallel, then co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, let's suppose this is our line L and this is our line M. Okay, there are two pairs of co-interior angles. Let's suppose this is our angle 1 and this is our angle 2. We can say that these two angles are co-interior to each other. Angle 1 is co-interior to angle 2. Okay, and also angle 3 and angle 4 are co-interior. Let's suppose this is our angle 3 and this is our angle 4. These two angles are also co-interior. If we are able to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, then it's prove our statement. Or if we are able to prove angle 3 and angle 4 are equal to 180, then it's also prove our statement. Okay, because these two pairs are obviously co-interior angles. We need to prove just one of them. Okay, so we need to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This is our to prove situation. Okay, we need to prove these two angles are equal to 180. When two angles are equal to 180, then these two angles are called supplementary angle. In our next situation, next slide, first of all, lines are parallel. Let's suppose this is line L and this is line M. Okay, the sum of the co-interior angles are equal to 180. This is our angle 1 and this is our angle 2. Let's suppose this is our angle. I just suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, and I just use a different color for better understanding. And this red angle is a 4 and this red angle is a 3. Okay, so obviously angle 1 is and angle 2 are co-interior and angle 4 and angle 3 are co-interior, so we need to prove just one of them. Okay, first of all, line L and M are parallel. This is our given situation. Okay, second one, angle 1 and angle 3 are a co-interior angle 1 and angle 3 are a alternative interior angles. In our parallel lines, if two lines are parallel, okay, so it cut by a transversal MN, so this angle is alternative interior angles to these angles. Okay, these two angles are alternative interior angles, and also similarly this black angle is alternative interior angle to this angle. So if two lines are parallel, according to the parallel lines theorem, if two lines are parallel, then their alternative interior angles are equal. So by parallel lines theorem, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, because parallel lines theorem tell us about these two alternative interior angles are congruent. Okay, so from figure we can notice here angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 by a linear pair. Okay, this is an angle of a straight line. Okay, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to make 180 degree because this is an angle of a straight line. Okay, so from third point we can notice here angle 1 is equal to angle 3, so we just replace this angle 3 by angle 1. So you can notice here angle from 3 we can notice here measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 3. So when we substitute this equalities into a fourth, we get measure angle 2 plus measure angle 1 is also equal to 180. If measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 is equal to 180, so basically angle 3 is equal to angle 1, so we can say that measure angle 2 plus measure angle 1 is also equal to 180. Okay, and from figure, what is the relation between measure angle 2 and measure angle 1? So from figure we can notice here angle 2 and angle 1 are co-interior angle, and if sum of the co-interior angle is equal to 180, then we can say that these two co-interior angles are supplementary, and this is our proof, this proof our statement. Okay, from fifth we can say that this complete our proof. So this is our situation, this complete our proof. So if two lines are parallel, then their co-interior angles are supplementary. Thank you for your attention. We will see you in the next proof. Allah Hafiz.